what do you know? Not believe, but know. What can you count on under any and all circumstances? What can you count on under any and all circumstances? See, that's what we need to know. You know, real intelligence is to find out whatever it is that will serve you at the topmost level. And I don't mean your concept of yourself, but your true self that's always there. And yet what the tendency is to not be in our who we are and trust ourselves, but always reacting to others to define ourselves, waiting to get someone to appreciate us, you see. And to appreciate is a financial term, to increase, isn't it? Yeah. So we all want to increase the level of happiness that we feel and have felt, and love and peace and certainty. These are all qualities of being, and you can't buy them. Nobody can give them to you. That's the value of sacred knowledge, and this is the problem. People throwing away the whole God thing only because of whatever that we've learned that to be. That doesn't mean you throw away that whole, your knowingness of your divine partner and our connection, our oneness with each other, as well as our differences and the real greatness of every living entity. So that is what we need to focus on. And what do you know? Know yourself. That is the greatest knowing. And then you're certain, peaceful, powerful, and loving.